Hey guys, for this assignment, what we're going to do is we're going to complete a few charts. I broke down an assignment so that it was more manageable. And so we're going to be calculating protons, neutrons, electrons. We're going to match the Bohr model, and then we're going to count valence electrons, which is what we learned today. You have a periodic table and the APMAN anchor chart there. If you click on it, it'll link you. But also, if you go to the end of this assignment, I have them there as well to help you. Okay. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're solving for carbon. So we need to solve using APMAN. So you're going to go to your periodic table. And so carbon right here, I see has an atomic number of 6. And then it has a mass of 12.0. So that rounds to 12. Okay, so here we go. Has atomic number of 6. And then a mass number of 12. All right. So now I can go and fill in my information. So that means I have 6 protons. And it means I have 6 electrons. Whoopsie. Okay. And then now, so I got the mass number, which was 12. So I'm going to subtract the atomic number, which is 6. And I get 6. So for protons, I have 6. So I'll type that here. Electrons, I have 6. Type that there. Neutrons, I have 6. There. Okay, so I've solved, again, using APMAN, which we learned last week, I've solved for those. Now I'm going to look at a Bohr model. I'm going to find my Bohr model. So I'm going to look at carbon. And I'm going to find it on my periodic table. So there's carbon. And I'm going to go up to the group number, which is 14. So remember, if I'm in group 14, I have 4 valence electrons. So I'm going to count to see which one has 4. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then I'm going to say the number of valence electrons is 4. Now to double check your atom, remember, we have 6 electrons total. So I can count my total electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. And remember, valence electrons just means the electrons on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do neon. Neon has an atomic number of 10, and it has a mass number of 20.1, which rounds to 20. So atomic number of 10, so that means I have 10 protons, and I have 10 electrons. And then my mass number is 20. I'm going to subtract my atomic number, which is 10, to get 10. So this is 10. Electrons are 10. Neutrons are 10. So I'm going to find the atom that has 10 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Whoop, that's too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that has 10. Okay. And then we can double check by looking at our periodic table and seeing, oh, neon is in group 18, so it's going to have 8 valence electrons. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's correct. So lastly, let's look at aluminum. So aluminum has atomic number 13 and has a mass number of 27. So how did I get that 27? Because that 26.9 rounds to 27. Okay, so I'm gonna work fast. 13, 13, 13. Mass number was 27 minus 13 is going to give you 14. So this is obviously my last one. And so I have 13, 13, 14 for neutrons with the valence electrons, 3, because it's in group 13.